Good morning, Emily.
Good morning, Harvey.
How are you today?
I'm good. And you?
I am good. The weather is wonderful today.
Yes, absolutely.
I am going to see the birds in the forest. Do you want to go with me?
Yes, sure. I like to see the birds.
Okay, that sounds good. Let's go now.
Thank you so much, Harvey, for inviting me. It is wonderful here.
You are welcome, Emily. I like to go to the forest. I enjoy watching the birds. I like to watch different animals too. Next week we can go to the zoo if you want.
That is great, Harvey. But next week I am traveling with my parents to my hometown. But I want to go to the zoo with you and see some animals. We can plan for that when I come back from the hometown.
Okay, Emily. That is fine. We can go to the zoo when you come back from your hometown.
Do you want to know little about my hometown?
Yes, sure. I would love to know about your hometown.
So my hometown is located in the northwest. It is on the coast. We always eat fish when we go there. There is not much forest, but I like to take a long walk on the beach during the sunset. That is very enjoyable.
I like to walk on the beach too. I do that when we visit my uncle. He lives near to the sea.
Oh, really? That is wonderful.
Can we go back home? I want to go with my father to the grocery. I like to help him. And I learn from him too.
That is great. I do not like to go out with my family for shopping. I just go with my mother when she wants to buy me some clothes. When they go out, I watch TV or read in my book.
I like what you are doing, Emily. Let us go now.
Thank you, Harvey. It was good hanging out with you.
You are welcome, Emily. Have a good day.
Goodbye, Harvey.
See you next time. Goodbye.